Now the machine is ready to start. Let's see. Now the current program is 45 degrees, and I want to set it to 70 degrees. Now there's no any power for the dishwasher. If you want to give the power +1, then we have power for the dishwasher, and the default setting is 50 degrees, and the LED is flashing. Okay then. I want to change the program to 70 degrees. Now we have changed the program to 70 degrees, and when we press start, it will automatically select the correct program. Now it's still the default value, 50 degrees. Okay, press start. Now you can see it select the 70 degrees automatically, and the timing is 2 hours 25 minutes. After 5 minutes, it will set to button lock. Why there's CL appear on the screen? Because we have selected the button lock.